Merry Chrysler. That's what we got here. Chrysler 200. Now, why did I title this video Merry Chrysler? First off, because I'm in a Chrysler. Second, because I have a cup that says Merry Christmas on it. Merry Chrysler. So this video is about my Chrysler. I'm going to do a quick little, I don't know, let's do a walk around and check it out and just talk about it for a second. Basic, dirty. I mean, it's not the dirtiest it's ever been, but like it's kind of dirty. It's pretty dirty. Chrysler 200 here, completely stock. Just a nice, comfortable daily. But you know what my favorite thing about this car is? See this here? That button? Twice. The remote start. Alright, let's get in here. No. Alright, let's go for a little drive. Now see, it started it partially. Most cars probably do that. You probably know you gotta hit that again to start it completely. Oh. Turn that off. Alright, let's go for a little drive. Now this is a very comfortable car. I've been happy with it. I test drove one a couple years before I got this one, and it made me really want one for the longest time. Now, the first Chrysler 200 I test drove, though, was a V6. This one is just the 4-cylinder, but it's not meant to be a sporty car anyways. Like, there's like 100 more horsepower you get with the V6, but I really don't need it for my daily. I am considering trading this in for a faster car eventually, but just haven't gotten to that point yet. Nice little drive right here. I think the speed limit's like 15 miles per hour right here. It might be 25, but they got these speed bumps to make sure you don't come flying through here. And I know sometimes a cop will chill out in the parking lot over here trying to catch some people who aren't obeying the speed limit. I don't know, they might be just on lunch, who knows? They might not actually be trying to catch someone being illegal. Give me a second here. I'm going to try to show you all 185 ponies in action. Man, they got the nice cars in this neighborhood. Oh, dead end. I went the wrong way. Fresh cars, yo. I'm just backtracking a little bit here. I'm going to try to get an opportunity where there's not a bunch of cars passing me by so I can get on the gas a little and show you how slow this thing really is. I mean, I don't know, it kind of feels fast until you actually drive a fast car or you're in a fast car. But you know, it's just like anything else. It's still kind of fun, even though it's only 185 horsepower. Yeah. This spot up here, I see cops sitting and watching the highway right here sometimes. My favorite road to just go cruise on that is near my house is over here if you turn right. But I'll do a different video for that, maybe like tomorrow. But it's a fun road.
Is a fourth-generation auctioneer for all of Pennsylvania. They handle estate auctions, home and business closings, real estate auctions, and even
Shut that up. Merry Chrysler. Man, I'm hairy. They keep telling me to get a haircut, but it's like, the sooner you get a haircut, the sooner you gotta get a haircut again, and the sooner you gotta get a haircut again, you know, just like, let it go for a while. It's not hurting me any. So, you got a little bit of point of view footage driving the Chrysler. Maybe you wanted that, maybe you didn't. Got a little walk around the car, got to see the remote start in action. It's a pretty nice car. I like it a lot. I am considering my options for my next car, which I really like the GR Corolla, not gonna lie. Like, am I gonna go drop 40K on a new car? I don't know, because I think that's what it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be like around 40K. But that would be super cool. It's got the Toyota reliability. It's got the hatchback, a little extra space. It's got the all-wheel drive, turbo, sporty car, you know? So, I'm considering it. Beyond that, I've kicked around the idea of getting a Camry TRD or what are some other ones? At one point, I was really thinking I was going to get a STI, but I don't know if I'm going to do that. I really just want something cooler, something I can make more content with and feel like it's worth having content. Like the Chrysler, there's some content I can make about the Chrysler, but it doesn't feel like it's worth it. It feels like it's not the kind of car that you can base a car channel off of. The Mazda Speed 6 I had was a pretty good car for a car channel, but unfortunately that blew all apart. Yeah, it's a sad story. So yeah, I just need to get something cooler to talk about on the channel. So thanks for watching. If you made it this far, here's a cookie. I hope you like it. Subscribe, like the video, all that jazz. I will see you back here for another one and another lifetime.